Magiging covered court to. Spring back to ata rin. Fiberglass. Sabitan Mark. Parehas mo lang ba? Okay. Ha? Rapo. 11-13 lang. Si Pasarel.
Pinakita na ba niya yung birth certificate niya? Baka wala pa.
Go, Jade!
Lips to lips. Uy, kunin mo.
Seconds!
Tira na yan. Libre na eh. Bang, bang. Hey, takbo sa baba. Nice one. Kaya nyo, boys. Nakita ko na.
Cut! Again! Iwan mo!
Uy!
Ana! Nice shot. And
Hey, dumepensa kayo! Yun lang naman gagawin nyo dyan eh. Yun lang naman gagawin nyo dyan eh.
Foul on number 12. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul.
Second team foul? Okay. Kaya drill.
tulog!
Tira na yan, Jade.
Bang bang!
Masukop. Shit lang.
Baba na!
Paano? Dumepensa na lang kayo.
Depensa agad! Tas kamay!
Mayor, driving. Hello, 2 blocks. Yes.
Yun na. Go, Jade.
Hernandez.
Nice one. Nice foul.
First personal foul, number 1. First team foul.
Oh, bola! Bola!
Ay, sa lupo.
Hernandez.
Kaya! Uy!
Oy!
Basket!
Sobra naman yun, boss. Pang matanda ang laro.
Meantime, 7 minutes.
Arakap mo, arakap. Tira na yan. Kuha, Kurt, kuha!
Nice pass!
Mayor, Malano. Malano, set up the play.
Pantayin nyo na yun.
Malalat!
Balik kay Malano.
Box! Wala na yan!
Out of bounds. Berkeley basketball. Hernandez got the ball.
Uy! Tira!
Nice shot!
Nice one.
Malano on
Mas kamay.
the
Nice D!
Second on the line, 13 basketball.
Gusto. Shot!
Yes.
Nice pass!
Block by Mercado. Albert Doyle.
Huli!
Good.
Bang, bang!
Fernandez. No good.
Baba na, baba!
Babayugo, babayugo, babayugo.
Tas kami lang! Asap lang! Uy!
First personal foul. Number 12. Second team foul.
Best dito.
Sorry. Second personal foul, number 12, Cabarlo. First throw, no good.
Good pa rin yun ah.
Shooter, Lance! Box, box!
Last throw.
Wala.
No good.
Paulo! Ulang!
Berkeley attacking.
Bawi, bawi Adril, bawi Adril. Bawi na lang. Depensa na lang kayo boys.
Substitution. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 25.
Iwas foul!
Iwas foul boy. Maaga masyado.
Yandado.
Huli! Huli na ka!
Monte
Tas kamay lang! Nice
Nice
D!
one.
Tas kamay!
Nice, 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 nice. Nice! Hawak, hawak. Foul! Bulag yata yung referee nun pare. Nice, nice D, nice D. Nice D boy, nice D boy.
Timeout, Blazers.
Two all, nakashoot na ba sila? Yung kalaban?
Malaki-laki yung putback niya doon.
Ay.
Hindi ako matawag na ano. Is na ano.
Sino yung kahapon, yung short hair? Sino yung short hair kahapon?
Oo nga, yung selfie niyo sa bahay niyo. Sa na.
Di ba short hair mama mo? Yung mama mo.
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 51 seconds.
Diskarte, 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 diskarte.
That's two. Giving it Don.
Uy, awe! Tas kamay lang!
Montemayor.
Pilit, pilit, pilit.
No good. Yandado.
Nice one. Ay!
Rebound.
Kasabay!
Your Blazers.
Nakaw, na-fake. Uy, kunin niyo!
Rebound.
Ay, hindi.
First whistle foul, number 4, third team foul. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 21 seconds. First throw, no good.
Box out, shooter! Uy!
Substitution.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano nangyari doon?
Warning. Di ba? Inbound dapat. Delete.
Wala, mahinang nila lang din pala yung mga referee dito eh.
Berkeley attacking, Fernandez, dribble ball.
Nice one, Lance!
Dada! Ako agad!
Depensa agad!
Uy, lifting!
Go!
Oh, sige, banggain mo. Bato yan.
Go!
Berkeley got the rebound.
Takbo! Takbo hit!
Number 3, Fernandez, steal.
Tas kamay lang! Nice.
Nice day, nice day.
Out of bounds. Substitution. Timeout. 8-3.
8. Basic lang yung kalaro nyo, boys.
Remaining time, 2 minutes and 46.
Di ba? Kita naman eh.
Walang lifting. Carrying the ball.
Old school eh. Old school.
Yun yung right term.
Lifting ba natin? Lifting.
Old school yun.
Ay.
Carrying. Magal, no?
Gerald, hindi mo yata sineminar tong mga to eh.
Tituan sa'yo.
Hindi tumaan sa'yo eh. Mga 300 per game lang pala sila dito. Kaya ganun tawag.
Yan doon, pamamasahe pa. Pamamasahe pa, di isang daan.
Sagot pa nila yung pagkain nila.
Yung ano eh, yung pinakabot niya.
Bye, G's!
Fernandez.
Sir, kamusta? Tayo.
Laita. Fernandez ulit.
Screen!
Laita.
Pasok yun!
10 seconds to shoot.
Takbo. Takbo Leon. Takbo Leon. Nice one, nice one.
Substitution.
Tas kamay!
Rivera. Labas
Tas kamay! Tas kamay!
Baksa, Leon!
3 seconds oh!
Daniel.
Takbo!
Nice!
Kuha Jake! Kuha Jake!
Nagsolo.
Nice, Jake!
Yes, sir.
O, depensa!
Depensa na lang gagawin nyo dyan.
Last 2 minutes.
Ito na lang.
Nice, Tio! 8 seconds! Nice!
Huwag ka na magreklamo. Kitang-kita ang referee.
May video replay pa.
15, di ba?
Drop to go.
Mas kumpiyado nga. Wala nga daw ano eh. Baka walang birth certificate yung number 1 eh. Pero pinaglaro pa rin. Meron pa eh. Hindi kami number 13. Sa Venus.
Angat! Yugo! Nice shot! Bawi na, bawi!
Depensa ka na lang.
Milano. Setting the play.
Wala na, nag-dribble na. Nag-dribble si boss.
Nice!
Traveling.
Labas yun na yung
Substitution.
star player nyo.
May katapat pala si Khalil dito.
Saan?
Number 13.
Ah,
Sa short pant.
sa short pants parehas na.
Berkeley attacking. Fernandez. Fernandez set the play.
Tira na.
Gonzalez. Time to shoot.
Kaya!
Angat!
Gonzalez.
Basket!
Nice one. Goods lang.
Remaining time 38 seconds.
Basket, oh.
Hey, shoot mo yan, boy!
First personal foul, number 19. And that is your third team foul.
Yun na! Isa lang, isa lang!
You watch your kuya. Yes, shooting.
Kuha, Leon!
Huli, huli na!
Oy, kuha, kuha, kuha! Nice one.
Bello. So Fernandez. Fernandez.
Bang, 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 bang!
10 seconds.
Oy, kuha, kuha, kuha!
5 seconds.
Tira na yan!
Bello. No good. Gonzalo got the rebound. 18 seconds. Yes, sir. 15 seconds remaining.
Last shot, last shot!
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Uy! Oh! Landing spot, oh! Woo! Landing!
Di mo tinitiglan!
Landing spot!
Uy! Delayed, delayed!
Remaining time, point 1.
Nahulog niya?
Landing spot! Nickel pa ito.
Boss, ayusin niyo naman yung tawag, boss!
Leandro, that is your second personal foul. 14 foul.
Sa iba nakatingin eh.
Hindi nag-whistle siya pero
Hindi
yung
tinuloy,
Yes, sir.
hindi na nilakasan.
Pero technical sana.
Oo, may technical pa sana, tapos 2 free throws.
Point forward. Now
Once
it's
po, 2 free throws plus possession.
Oo, 2 free throws. Bayan mo na, bayan mo na.
Nice one.
and now the first quarter.
Ano ba yan?
Score
First quarter,
5-7 in
5-7.
favor of Berkeley.
Ako, nag-focus di ko na yun. The mark lang.
Alay pa dito.
Okay, ingat, Benson. Science pa ka. Hey, you behave.
Ako rin, dito rin ako ah.
Start of the second quarter.
Give me some milk.
Cenas. Second Uvelo. Open. Behind Chris. Noble. Behind Sabrina. Your aces. Steal. Noble. 5. Your aces basketball. Jonas. First personal foul number 3, and that is your first team foul.
Alalipting ko yan.
22!
Nice, Jay!
Oh, shit. Ay.
Jose Rizal. He made 2, idiot. He made 2.
Eh, careful with the ball.
Kita mo, let return ito yun. Like, hold it. Don't smile like me like that ah. Don't show me
Go on,
your
Seth.
Don't show me your sarcastic smile ah.
Jose Rizal made 2. He made 2, then who made the Who? It was the ball
This one.
Somebody might step on you.
Pasabay! Good!
Minsan you don't like chocolate. Minsan you don't like chocolate.
I want po.
It's bad for you. You're having cones.
No scoring, grabe naman yan.
Tas kamay lang! Tas kamay!
5 seconds.
Go! Screen! Head! Labas!
Diskarte, diskarte, diskarte.
Bang, bang! Baba nga, baba!
Nice one, you go. Nice one, you go. Sige, dive in mo, baby.
Paulo, Paulo! Bawalas! Tas kamay! Nice! Go!
Hey, takbo! Uy, foul na yun, oh. Yamit, ang pangit naman dito.
Bang! Bang, bang! Baba! Tas kamay!
Easy, tapos siya titira.
Sila, bawi!
Go, Jade!
Nice, Jade! Basket! Basket tayo dapat oh.
Wait lang daw, pero siya tumira eh. No, nice one, Khalil!
Nice!
Pasan nyo na. Beng-beng na yan.
Remaining time 6 minutes.
Jump, jump, jump! Nice jump!
All players.
Ay,
Backward tayo konti, all players. All players. Backward.
Kurt, kunin mo yung malaki kagad
hindi,
ah.
bata pa daw. Hybrid.
Bakit oh? Huli! Nice!
Remaining time 5 minutes and 15 seconds.
Kuha. Uy, foul.
First personal foul.
Nice oh!
And that is your second team foul. Substitution.
Laki ah. Huli! Uy!
Uy! Walang foul yun?
Seconds.
Good yan. Good.
Dapat may
Good ba yun?
kahit accident.
Dapat i-stop mo kasi possession nila. Dapat i-stop mo. May man down nga eh.
Hindi, may na kayo tumawag. Sayang yung uniforme.
Transition kasi bro. Sige na basta-basta titigilin.
Sayang yung uniforme. Tumama pa yata yung ulo ni Seth.
Medics!
Walang medics? Walang medics?
Pakatawang ka pa chat.
Ano, akong pila tao.
Walang medics? Tika mo, Ian.
Medic!
Ay, spray.
Ayun eh, Dok.
Yun na. Pagka-phone ko lang, nahilo na tingin.
Oo, no, yung itsura niya.
Napwersa yung medic. Ano ba yung ulo?
Parang eh.
Pero hindi naman tumama sa
Ay, hindi naman yung solid na ano.
napwersa na tumama yun. Hindi naman gamit.
Hindi, black. Ay, ano, screen. Hindi siya nakatingin.
Time remaining 4 minutes 20 seconds. Official score 7 Berkeley.
Ha?
21
Ha? Ha?
Aces.
Score!
Bigtad, lamang kami, boss.
Kami, boss!
Bago.
Nalito na kayo, boss. O, nadagdagan pa nga. Ha? 9-12 talaga? Oo, 9-12.
Nice!
Ubing table.
Tira na yan. Nice one! Oh! Nice one! Nice one! Nice D, nice D!
Sa inyo!
Hey, bola, white ball.
White ball!
Ano ba? Nalilito na ba kayo?
Did you lock the card?
Players, both teams, gilid tayo. Gilid. Para makita
Ba't
natin.
kasi wala kayong upuan?
Atlas. Atlas tayo. Time remaining 3 minutes 30 seconds.
Baba na kayo.
Depensa na lang.
Malaki. Ay.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Cutter!
Laki.
Hoy, hawi! Sigo. Extra motion. Tulak na yan! Tulak! Box! Nice! Box ah! Screenan nyo!
Kumpol kasi kayo.
Yan. Pwesto!
Uy!
Paulo! Foul!
Nasa pa yung referee?
Tas kamay!
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh!
Dala lang, Jade! Nice! Shit, sayang!
Dapat di mo na pinasa.
Reds! Nice box!
Tawag ka.
Bang!
Pasok na yan.
Nice Dio!
10 to shoot.
Ay, patay kayo dyan.
Tas kamay!
What?
3 seconds! Nice, 3 seconds. Nice, Lee.
Time remaining 1 minute. 1 minute and 1 second. Tabi, players. Tabi. Opo.
Bola. Tulog.
Diskarte. Sa loob. Nice one.
Bang!
Follow-up number 2, toucher. First personal foul. Second.
Sige, wag niyo dagdagan score.
Malit naman kasi nagtitable. Oh,
Boss, mali yung score. Mali yung dinadagdagan niya.
Obvious na. Gusto!
9, 10. 11, 12.
Pasok! Bang! Baba! Shoot! Laki mo.
Yan, okay lang.
At least ato ka.
11 seconds.
Hoy.
11 seconds, time remaining. 11 seconds.
Box out!
Hoy, hawi oh!
10. 5.
Huli! Huli! 3 seconds! 3 seconds oh! 3 seconds!
End of second quarter.
Mali-mali tawag niyo, boss!
Official score.
Hindi na sila magkaintindihan sa tawag eh, no?
Aces and 20 Berkeley.
Kung double ba? Kung 3 seconds ba?
Mga training nila, mga
Mahinang nila lang. Sino ba kalaro nyo? Ilan ba kayo? 10? 12? Sali ako. Pasa-pasa lang ako ah.
Kailangan si Ian.
Si Doc Ian.
May naka-ready. Just wait for Daddy here.
Tapos papakalit, bibig ko.
Gulo niya.
White ball!
Dali. Bola. Baba! Uy, nice. Cut! Hoy, landing oh!
Three points.
Follow number 19, that's your second personal foul, first team foul.
One day!
Baba!
Defense! Hoy!
Labanan! Benden! Benden!
Ay!
Baba! Nice! Baba, baba, baba! Baba, baba lang!
Defense! Defense!
Time remaining 7 minutes 40 seconds.
Defense! Defense! Defense!
Follow number 15. That's your first personal foul, second team foul.
Nice! Nice, good guys!
Yun na yun! Go, Hugo. Nice one, Hugo. Ay, wrong pass, pare. Kaya mo yan! Kaya mo yan!
Follow number 1. That's
Buti na
your
lang.
first personal foul, first team foul. Follow number 1.
Tas kamay lang yan!
Number 7. Follow number 7.
Ha?
Pa lang, first!
190 tinawag ng refe! Sus, 1!
Wala po tayo number 1. Kaya
Meron na yun, number 1.
Offense!
Offensive foul!
Tas kamay lang! Tas kamay! Oh, traveling! Nice!
Nice one! Nice D!
Please!
Kaya mo na, huwag ka may pagkamay.
double fouls and
Wag na!
number 1 aces and 12 Berkeley. Save ball.
Pang tatlo mo na, boy! Labo
Time
ng
out,
review.
Berkeley.
Ingat, ingat!
Time remaining 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Five.
Ano daw? Dito daw niya. Ipapa-x-ray nila. Yung pagkatumba niya, yung tumingin siya, parang magulo yung mata niya eh.
Magulo sa dindi. Parang nagawa, pagkabag na.
Eh Hugo, ingat!
Ingat sa foul.
Huwag mong papakita, huwag mong papakita.
Okay, baba mo lang, baba mo lang. Labas, labas, lads!
Nice one! Ay! Okay. Takbo Hugo! Takbo Hugo! Okay lang, okay lang. Pang-apat mo na, boy. Lumabas ka muna.
Follow number 12. That's your fourth
Third.
personal foul, second team foul. Good.
Nice one, buti na lang.
Last shooter!
Hey, kaya niyo yan. Depensa lang.
Lang.
May siko talaga yung number 1 eh.
Montemayor rebound. De Vera. Montemayor. No go. De Vera.
Tas kamay!
Lovely. Becky got the rebound.
Kapanalan.
Ay, di niya makakapul yun.
Dominican Fernandez. Fernandez
Corner, corner.
attacking the rim.
Tira na. Oops! Beng-beng na yan! Ay! Huwag niyo panoorin, boys. Huwag niyo panoorin.
Papanas, sa baba ka.
Patsak! Patsak! Patsak!
Lendado.
Uy!
Good.
Papanas!
Kaya! Kaya!
Fernandez.
Hawak! Hawak, Jay!
Laita.
Corner!
25.
Nice, ah.
Marquez.
Beng-beng na yan. Lucha. Alas, ah.
Papanas!
Kaya! Kaya! Kaya!
Attacking.
Patsak! Patsak!
Bakit?
Nice!
Laita.
Hawak! Hawak!
4 minutes remaining time.
Nice foul, nice foul.
Second personal foul number 71. Third team foul.
Adril, gawa.
Laita. Setting the play. Fernandez.
Yan!
Tira na!
Nice leg!
Marquez. No good.
Nice one! Nice one!
Baba, baba, baba!
24 routine scores.
Nice one! Nice one! Nice one! Oy! Foul na!
Penalty, penalty!
Sama pure aces.
Labo mo magtawag.
First personal foul number 8. Fourth team foul.
Police yun, di ba? Mark?
Saan yan?
Yung katabi
Remaining
ng...
time 3 minutes and
nakared.
17 seconds.
Yung nagsiselfone na nakared. Ay, orange ba yun o red?
Back to the ball.
Police yun, di ba?
Bilyan mo yan ba? Varsity ang dalawang, varsity ng UC ang dalawang yun.
Ay, ganun? Oo, magaling na yun.
Score 24-15 in favor of Berkeley.
Ay, ganun?
Sino?
2011, ay 2000,
2001.
wala Dino.
MM.
Dino.
Ay, MM1.
Bola!
Fernandez setting the play. Bigay kay Obelio. 10 seconds to shoot.
Screen!
Skarte!
5 to shoot.
Tira mo na!
Wakert. Nice one, Kurt.
Nice!
Nice one.
Bilis, bilis!
Wakert!
Asan ka? Tas kamay!
Here's the ball.
Lukat mo nga anis din.
Yamat.
Third personal foul number 7.
Why? Okay,
Third
go there.
team foul.
Bro, you cannot go there. After the game, we watch. Now, very in pain kami. Explain
Nice.
lang.
Help!
Roca, the dress.
Box! Nice box!
Yes, sir. 3.
Nakatres pa yun?
Fernandez. Attacking the rim.
Third. Sa'yo na.
Fernandez.
Uy, talo!
Obelio.
Screen!
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Double check.
Patsak! Patsak!
Last 2 minutes.
Patsak!
Rivera.
Mas kamay lang.
Mayor.
Defense!
Defense! Oy, help! Help!
Milano. American dress.
Hawak, Michael! Hawak!
Ilabas mo na, ilabas mo na.
Tulong!
Hey, na.
Then to shoot.
Bang!
Tira na yan. Nice one!
Nice, Michael. Sa mga
Defense!
Hey!
Defense!
Uy, hali! Uy!
Yes, sir. 2 points. Fernandez.
Sayang.
1 minute.
Nice!
Block.
Nice, ayos lang!
Berkeley. 8 18 minutes to shoot.
18 minutes.
Ano, 18 seconds.
18 minutes, tagal, boss! Tagal naman nun.
Bang!
Montenegro got the rebound.
Baba agad, baba agad!
Turn shot, wala. Marcus got a rebound. Yes. 40 seconds. Fernandez. Out of time.
Bawi, bawi, bawi!
25 seconds remaining time.
Huwag nyo na pagsutin dyan, huwag nyo na pagsutin. Huli, huli!
Uy!
Push. 24 seconds. 20 seconds.
Ben!
Pangking.
Sige, bawi!
Depensa lang, depensa lang!
14 seconds remaining time.
Defense! Defense!
Montenegro. Yeah. Yes, sir. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds.
Uy, maaga. Pasok.
And now the third quarter.
No scoring, solid.
Score 28-22. Favor of Berkeley.
Lang.
Start of the fourth quarter. Berkeley basketball.
Ba't parang hindi naman naglaro yung 14 nila? No, yung 14 hindi naglaro. Ay. Hindi mo masyado.
Berkeley basketball, Berkeley.
Kurt, Kurt!
Focus lang, boys. Focus lang.
Fernandez got the ball. Caceres. Caceres attacking. Nasa kay Fernandez. Fernandez. Stepping. Berkeley basketball.
Talagang pinapasok. Bisa ka na kita.
Fernandez. Fernandez.
Labas, lads!
Oras ha.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Atake!
Atake!
24 seconds violation.
Sige, bawi!
Shooting
Ay, stretching na kayo, boys.
Yung malaki oh, yung malaki oh!
Bior, Rivera, Angeli, yes sir.
Huwag dyan!
Aurelio. Binigay kay Fernandez.
Labas, lads! Labas!
Play. Fernandez.
Nice!
Johnson.
Baba na, baba, baba, baba!
Out of bounds. Berkeley basketball.
Bola, bola!
Remaining time 8 minutes.
Lumabas na, lads!
Aurelio kay Caceres. Caceres. Back to Aurelio. Aurelio to Marcus. Fernandez ulit. 10 to shoot.
Nice make! Nice make! Oy, huli! Nice!
Fernandez.
Tira na yan.
Red Andres.
Get the ball!
Pasok ko!
Huli! Nice one!
Nice D lang, nice D lang. Hey, focus lang, boy.
Sino na-shoot si?
Si Jade. Kumalog-kalog sa
Substitution. Score 31-24 in favor of Berkeley.
Hey,
Defense! Defense!
Box!
Nana. Out of bounds.
Hindi, sige, patiran nyo lang sa kanya, patiran nyo lang.
Berkeley. Fernandez in the play.
Bigay! Tira!
Red Andres.
Beng-beng na yan. Pucha, laging ano ah. Habol, boy. Ay, ayaw mo na. Ayaw mo na, ayaw mo na.
Yes, sir.
Ayaw mo na.
2 points.
Baka matanggal pa siya sa court.
Yan naman po yung...
4.
Fernandez send the play. Fernandez dribbling. Ovelo.
Screen!
Oy, dalawa kayo dyan!
Fernandez. Mendez. No.
Baba!
Get the ball!
Bandado.
Harang lang!
Bandado. Atay. Mr. Dika. Wala. Ovelo.
Kaya!
Yun o.
Vargas. 14 to shoot. Mendez.
Nice pass!
Yun na, oy.
Baba! Baba lang!
Bandado.
Hey, habulin mo, boy.
Solo.
Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. Okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Yan mo na. Delikado, no? Kahit dyan, magkakabilaan.
Second personal foul number 2. First team foul.
Shoelace! Shoelace, boys!
Personal Milgo.
Box out!
Remaining time 5 minutes. 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Box!
Wala!
Mercado got the rebound. Yes, sir.
Tangay na, 2 points na lang.
Aurelio, building the ball. Aurelio, attacking. Kay Caballo. Caballo, again kay Laika. Laika, and Mendez. Mendez.
Cut!
Mendez, Laika.
Nice one!
10 to shoot.
Nice! Depensa! Depensa!
Hey, depensa, depensa! Ay, titira.
Baba ka lang.
4:50. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Wala na.
Uy! Traveling! Nice! Conrad!
Traveling violation. Kailangan mo ng passport kuya para bawal mag-travel. Fourth quarter time.
Ah, tama.
Berkeley basketball. Laita, got the ball. By Caballo. Caballo. Send the play.
Uy! Nice!
Done.
Sige, Marte ka lang.
Penalty!
That is your second personal foul, your second one, second team foul.
Huwag ka kayo mag-aaway. Masisira laro nyo.
Save the shoot. 10 to shoot.
Nice! Woohoo!
Yes, sir.
Nice one, Jade! Oh, isa pa! Defense!
Hey,
Baba
stop!
ka lang! Baba ka!
Stop nyo lang, stop nyo lang.
Stop! One stop!
One stop lang yan, one stop lang yan.
Nice!
Nice D, nice D.
Uy! Traveling! Laban! Laban!
Nasaan ba si Rep? Oh, magkaiba pa kayo ng tawag.
Berkeley. 11 to shoot.
Defense! 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 Defense!
Tas kamay lang! Tas kamay!
5 to shoot.
Defense! Uy! Traveling na!
Traveling.
Hindi mo na maulit, boy.
Sayang.
Binantayan na siya.
Dalawa. Time out. Dalawa. Evelio. 2 minutes and 40
Cross mo lang, cross
Ayun
mo
o sa
lang.
loob. Sayang.
Bola.
Set!
Bang, bang.
Bang-bang na yan! Nice one, Andres! Memorize mo na yan, boy, ah.
Dime.
Uli.
Block.
What, Jay?
Yan ang rebound. 14 to shoot.
Last,
Nice
tama na.
one.
Nicely.
Watch lang.
Timeout. Pure Aces.
Watch ka lang, okay?
Remaining time 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Score 28-38 in favor of Mercury.
Ginanting niya kasi yung buhok niya. No?
Bakit?
Kaya napilitan ko yung mag-bounce.
Loko.
Napalubusan, dagang karting ko.
Buti hindi king kilay, akit di. Lagyan niya yung ganun. Ha?
Back to the ball game. Remaining time 2 minutes and 13 seconds.
White ball.
Bert, ito.
Mercury basketball.
Boss,
meter, 1
huwag mo
meter.
takpan yung mata. Uy, technical na yun, boss. Wala palang technical yung ganun.
Turnover.
Technical na yun.
Disconcertion yung tawag ko. Bayan nyo na. Relax. Dito naman.
Uy,
17 to shoot.
Alis nila. Alis nila.
Last 2 minutes.
okay lang. Yan mo na.
Last 2 minutes.
Kailangan ka dyan. Dahil lang sa...
Fernandez got the ball.
Score pa rin ha. Aggressive pa rin.
Caballo.
Convert.
Play like 10 to shoot.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang.
Sige, di. Hey, ayusin mo naman, boy.
Remaining time 1 minute and 20
Honesty lang.
Alis nila ko. Malayo pa yan.
Montemayor.
Titira.
Nice.
Okay lang, nice D. Ay, si Jade.
13 to shoot.
Okay.
Substitution.
Kaya.
Honesty lang, boys.
1 minute!
Straight.
Get go!
Huli.
Yes, sir.
Oy!
2 points.
Relax lang.
Hawak!
Last 1 minute.
Set!
Kunin niyo pala.
Kunin nyo.
10 to shoot.
Okay, convert!
Ayos. Huli. Diskarte. Basta.
Nice one! Ay, offense! Hey, honest.
8 seconds.
Hey, defense lang.
Slinky, boys! Slinky!
38 seconds.
38 tayo. Receiver.
Sige, magkaway-away kayo. Magkaway-away kayo.
Sige, walayo pa.
Bola natin. Ay.
Third personal foul, number 7. Second team foul.
Marami pa kayong pa, no? Alis pa lang.
32 remaining time. 32 seconds.
Honest lang.
Milano.
Tas kamay. Tas kamay.
Yes, sir.
Apat na lang.
20 seconds.
Patay oras lang. Nice.
Nice one.
16 remaining time, 16 seconds.
7.
O, 16 seconds na lang ha.
Smart basketball, boys.
16 seconds.
Oy.
Okay, nice one, nice one.
Four pa. 14 down. Second personal foul is 10.
Eh, takbo mo muna.
Takbo!
Nice, Adriel.
Dapat tumakbo ka, Adriel!
11 seconds. 10
Make two,
nothing.
make two.
Dalawa lang, Adriel.
Dagger na, dagger.
Third personal foul number 10.
Oo, no? Abuse.
Taas na.
Nice one! Ingat na lang, ingat na lang. Nice one!
Two runs.
Defense, defense. Good D.
Yes, sir. 2 balls.
Make one lang, ha? Make two.
Dalawa yan, Adriel. Dalawa mo na.
37-40 in favor of Berkeley.
Make two, make two.
5 seconds remaining time.
Oray may isa lang, oray may isa lang.
Sura, John.
Tapos anis din na lang kahit makatres. Baka mamaya mapaul pa. Yun na yun! Yun na yun!
Two runs.
Yun na yun!
Oh, iwas foul, ha? Iwas foul.
Hey, iwas foul, boys!
Tatalon. Iwas foul.
Iwas foul sa tres. Kuha ka drill. Ay, sayang!
Kaya mo na.
Nice one! Nice one!
Oh, ayun na ba?
Hindi, sige, shoot nyo!
1 second.
Shoot nyo, shoot mo, drill! Tapos na.
Tama.
Mapunta nag-time out pa.
Gagawa pa ng, sa bagay, pang crucial, pang practice.
Time out pa siya, pare.
May pang practice ng crucial game.
Sa bagay, no? 1 second,
1
no?
second. Catch and shoot.
Okay, okay.
Catch and shoot.
Sige. Maniwala tayo. Strategy.
Kilig ka ba?
Back to level.
Pero sure ako papaul tong mga to. Ay, pero wala na.
Hindi naman babantayan.
Ah.
1 second remaining time. 1 second.
Yala, Adriel! Tira mo! Oh!
Not counted. Handshake style players and coaches. Winner, Berkeley.
Nice one, boys. Oh, 1473. Solid naman yan.